Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious vegetable stew with you guys. We're gonna be cooking some meat. I'm using cow leg, beef, cow tail, and some smoked chicken. Add diced onions, salt, and one beef bouillon. Put it together, let it cook in its own juice for the first 10 minutes. That is it. Now I'm adding pomo, that's the cow skin, and some stockfish fillet. Add water, let it continue cooking till it's tender. And as that is busy, I'm going to be rough blending some onions, peppers, habanero, and crayfish off camera. So that is done. I'm going to be frying my stew in another pot. Add palm oil, heat it up, pour in diced onions, fry it for 5 minutes, pour in the rough blended peppers, crayfish, and onions. Fry it 2 minutes, then I added tomato paste. Add bonga and dry prawn. Fry it together with the tomato paste. 3 minutes, then add smoked mackerel. I'm going to be using native Maggi, that is fermented locust beans. Yeah, fermented locust beans. Just add that to it, put it together, let it fry. My meat is ready. Now I'm gonna pour my meat in my stew. Put it together. This stew came out so delicious. Add in one beef bouillon. My bouillon cube is in paste form, so I don't have to break it. Add a little bit of salt. Taste before adding salt because you already boiled your meat with salt. Add my vegetable, and I'm using frozen spinach for this recipe. This soup came out so delicious. You can use this for swallow, any swallow. You can use it for rice, yam, dodo. Is very delicious stew. My sauce is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye.